started. I have a rock here and it looks like the shape of a bird. So we're gonna go ahead and paint that, slap it down, and turn it into a cool little funky rock design, awesome art piece. Let's do it, let's get to it. This is what I'm going for, some of this cute little birds that have been painted on rocks. So I'm going to try to attempt the same thing on my rock, and let's see how it goes. Let's slap it down. So I've got my paints ready, my Liquitex soft body. We got some red, orange, black, white, brown, and yellow. Those are going to be the colors that we're going to use on this project. So let's get started. So I went ahead and I got my paint onto my palette. We're using a really thin point edge brush. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyeball. So let's dip into our white paint. Oh, I just got black on it. Wash that off. Already made a mistake 5 seconds into the video. We'll get some white on there. And we're gonna outline the eyeball. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just roll time lapse. Let's see how this baby turns out. It's a baby bird on a rock. Let's do it. Well guys, there you have it, a cute little bird rock. Ain't he cute? Who's a pretty bird? Who's a pretty bird? Who's the cute little 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 bird? This rock was found by my brother at the beach off Lake Huron at Point Farms. So now we give it new life, and it's a cute little bird. Thank you. Thanks. Well guys, thanks for subscribing, sharing, and liking, and having a good time. Canada Day 2023. I'll see you again one day on the next video. Enjoy the show. Ain't that a cute bird? Maybe it'll inspire you guys to do something. Get out a rock and paint it up. Alright. I'll see you again next time on Live Painting with RAEART. Cheers!